Greetings to our viewers. Today's session is a significant step towards securing your online presence as we create a slow DNS server and set up NPV Tunnel VPN for enhanced protection and efficiency. Let's proceed through each crucial step, emphasizing the importance of this tutorial. Step 1. Commence by utilizing a search engine like Chrome, highlighting the essential nature of seeking tools to bolster your online security. Step 2. Search for a private SSH website, stressing the importance of establishing secure connections for safe browsing practices. Step 3. Access the website's menu by tapping on the three lines, underscoring the need for deliberate navigation for effective setup. Step 4. Select the SSH and OVPN options for advanced security protocols, prioritizing your data protection and privacy. Step 5. Opt for the slow DNS option to enhance your online experience and security measures, emphasizing the vital role of DNS setup. Step 6. Choose a server in your preferred location, ensuring personalized and secure VPN settings for optimized performance. Step 7. Create your account after noting server information, highlighting the necessity of accurate and secure account creation. Step 8. Enter your credentials thoughtfully, stressing the importance of secure login details for fortified account security. Step 9. Verify your account creation with a CAPTCHA check, ensuring a secure account setup for reliable VPN connectivity. Step 10. Save all account details diligently, recognizing their critical role in setting up NPV Tunnel VPN securely and efficiently. Step 11. Install NPV Tunnel VPN from Google Play Store, demonstrating a commitment to advanced online security measures and data protection. Step 12. Open the app and land on its homepage, setting the stage for a secure VPN configuration process. Step 13. Access the configuration settings by tapping on Config, followed by the plus icon to add configurations manually, ensuring personalized VPN setup. Step 14. Proceed with adding an SSH config, a pivotal step for establishing secure VPN tunneling protocols. Step 15. Select the SSH DNSTT option in the protocol settings, emphasizing the need for reliable and encrypted data transmission. Step 16. Carefully input the slow DNS server account details into their respective fields, following on-screen instructions for accurate configuration. Step 17. Reviewing your settings. Before moving on, double-check all your settings to ensure everything is entered correctly. Then click on Save. Step 18. Connecting to the VPN. Finally, return to the home screen of the app and tap on the Connect button to establish your secure connection. Join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support, insights, and engagement. Your active participation in this educational session is crucial for enhancing your online security. Remember, your privacy and security matter. Thank you for prioritizing your safety online and for joining us on this essential educational journey.